Entry door installation. Pell City is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors Pell City, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for every project. Whether you need steel entry doors, fiberglass doors, or wooden entry doors, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. For those seeking energy-efficient entry doors, Pell City, our selection includes top-rated options that help reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. Our door repair services are second to none, offering solutions for door frame repair, door threshold repair, and door sealing to keep your entryways in optimal condition. We also provide door hardware installation and door lock installation to enhance security and functionality. Custom entry doors. Pell City, Alabama, are designed to meet your specific style and functional needs. Our entry door customization services allow you to choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and designs. We offer entry door consultation to help you select the best options for your home or business, ensuring satisfaction with every installation. Door security upgrades are essential for protecting your property, and our team in Pell City is equipped to provide comprehensive solutions. From door lock services to door hardware Pell City, we ensure your entry doors Pell City are secure and reliable. Our residential entry doors and commercial entry doors are designed to withstand the elements and deter unauthorized access. Entry door maintenance in Pell City is vital for prolonging the life of your doors. Our services include regular inspections, door weatherproofing, and door painting services to keep your doors looking and functioning like new. We also offer storm doors and patio doors, Pell City, Alabama, providing additional protection and style for your home. Door frame repair Pell City is a specialized service that addresses structural issues, ensuring your doors operate smoothly. Our team is skilled in door sealing Pell City, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. We also offer door threshold Pell City, Alabama services to enhance the durability and appearance of your entryways. Entry doors. Pell City design is a key aspect of our offerings, allowing you to create a unique and welcoming entrance. Our door painting Pell City, Alabama services provide a fresh look, while our entry door accessories Pell City add the finishing touches to your custom doors. Trust our experts for all your entry door services Pell City AL needs. For businesses, commercial doors. Pell City, Alabama are a critical component of security and functionality. Our team provides tailored solutions for commercial entry doors, ensuring they meet the demands of your business operations. We also offer security doors Pell City AL to protect your assets and employees. Weatherproof doors. Pell City are essential for withstanding the local climate, and our selection includes options designed to resist moisture, wind, and temperature fluctuations. Our entry. Your Doors Pell City AL services ensure your doors are both stylish and functional, providing lasting value for your property.